drop a yes in the comment. If you can hear me, just drop a yes or a reaction, so I'll be sure that I'm not doing this myself. Okay, good, 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 good. I like to acknowledge my people when I see them. I see wonderful people. Welcome, Peter, Faith, Fumbi, Godwin, I see management team. I don't know who that is. Peter and Toyosi. Thank you guys for making it here. Uche, Angela, you guys are all welcome. And I hope to give you the best of the best today. Usually, I don't like to change fundamentals because, when you're advanced, you just want to teach advanced people. So if you're advanced in trading, I feel like today might not be it for you, but future sessions you'll get it, and then just use this opportunity to revise rather. But if you're new to trading, you're in luck because we'll be taking it from the beginning to the very end. So welcome once again, and I enjoy this session as much as I would enjoy teaching you. So let me share my screen. I'm going to start with what is Forex. A lot of people have different notions about Forex. Do you even know that it's as simple as what it is? Forex simply stands for foreign exchange. That's just what it is. If you've ever bought something in, let me share this. If you've ever bought something in dollars before, maybe online purchase or anything where you had to change naira to dollar, you've engaged in Forex. It's as simple as that. So Forex trading is just simply the buying and selling of currencies. If you know the Bureau de Change, those people, those aboki that usually stand very close to banks, that's their very nice location, and they'll ask you if you have dollar to exchange it for naira. So usually they make a commission upon those exchanges. But then Forex has been digitalized, meaning that with your smartphone you can buy currencies, sell it, and make profit. So you make profit by simply predicting whether the currency will go up or go down. There are only two things in Forex. You either buy or you sell. If you buy and the market goes up, you make profit. If you sell, it's just like you're dumping it and the market goes down, you make profit. As simple as that. So for instance, if you buy Euro USD at 1.1, let's say 10000, and then the price goes from 1.1000 to 1.10.050, you've made a profit on Euro USD. That's just it. Now it depends on the lot size you use, which would explain further. Lot size is basically what I like to call a lot. It's just like somebody with a small farm and somebody with a big farm. Both of them can plant yam. But the person with a big farm will make more money than somebody with a small farm because the person will plant more. So with lot size, if you have more money in your account, you're definitely going to make more money than somebody with small accounts, if that makes sense. Like something I posted on my status today, a friend of mine took a trade on Euro USD and then he made around $100 thereabout. And then somebody else took a trade on Euro USD and made $10,000. The difference is basically the lot size they used. And then what's the benefit of Forex trading? Why I love Forex trading so much is that you can basically trade from anywhere using your phone or your laptop, like anywhere. You don't have to be in an office. You don't have to be in an enclosed space. Literally anywhere. I trade from my house. I trade from my vehicles in transit. I've even traded from church. God forgive me. I trade from anywhere. You can trade from anywhere. And the other benefit is you don't need CVs, you don't need clients. Usually, to make money, you have to learn a skill, master the skill for years, go out, look for clients, submit thousands of CVs, hope that somebody says a yes, hope the person doesn't um, fire you the next day, all those processes. So you don't need all that in trading. You just need to learn the skill and then go to the market, buy, sell, make your money. And then there's no limit to your wealth in trading, no limit. Like the amount of money I've seen in trading, I've not seen it. I've not seen it in my years of doing other businesses. Trust me, I've tried different things. Anything, job shipping, Amazon publishing, anything you can think of that's a business. Just know I've done it. Just know that I've done it. And then the amount of money I've seen in trading, I've not seen it anywhere because there's no limit to the amount of money you can make in trading. It's infinite. It's mindless. It's not like you need 100,000 clients to make $100,000. It's not like you need to work with 10 people to make $10. You just need to know how to trade and use the appropriate risk management. You're going to make your money. And then the market is always open 24 hours, Monday to Friday. So there's limitless opportunities to make money. You can start small. Even if you have $10, you have $20, you can always start small in trading compared to the normal businesses where you have to have a lot of capital. I usually share a drop shipping story I had that okay, they were like bring 10,000 naira to learn this trade, and then I was so happy. I paid 10,000 naira, and then at the end of the day, they said I needed to buy the shop, like the digital store, and that was around 150K. And I was like, why didn't you tell me this in the beginning? Why do you have to like just tell me 10,000 naira when the entire cost is over 200K? Do you understand? But in trading, you don't need so much money. Although, like I said earlier, it's lot size, you make more money when you have more capital, if that makes sense. And then for everything that has good side, has downside. So what are the risks in trading? In trading, you can lose your money if the market goes against you. Let's say you predicted a buy and the market sold, you can lose your money. And if you don't have a long-term strategy, which is something we'll be teaching you in subsequent class, don't miss subsequent classes. Don't miss subsequent classes. What most people do is they say they want to learn a skill. They are just there the first day. And then when they get the idea of it, they feel like they are perfect. They don't learn again. And then they use that their half knowledge to go and make mistakes. So don't even go for half knowledge in trading. Go for the full knowledge. Stay till the end. Get everything first before you decide. I know what I'm saying. It's get everything first before you decide. So I'm going to teach you how to have a long-term strategy in trading. In the sense that even if you lose your money today, tomorrow, and next tomorrow, you'll still be profitable overall because you have a strategy that beats win rates. We're going to explain it further in future class, but just know that the strategy we use is not doesn't mean that you have to win every day. Nobody wins every day in trading, but we're still profitable because we have a strategy that whether we win or not in a day, we'll still be profitable overall. Then also using high leverage to increase losses, increases losses in trading. So like I said, somebody that has a small farm now will now try to buy lots of seeds and plant it in one place, which is not does not make sense. It might lead to sprouting and the like. So some people with $10, they will try to flip it to 1 million in a day. And at the end of the day, because of that high leverage, the chances are very slim. It happens, right? People have changed $10 to 1 million in trading over and over again. But what's the probability? You get it's not it doesn't happen every day. So you need something that is long term, sustainable, and gives you peace of mind as a trader. If you've been following me so far and you understand what I've been saying so far, drop a comment. Let me be sure. Drop a yes, a reaction. So I'll be sure that I've not gone technical. Good, good. Is it just from B? Thank you, Angela. Hope it's making sense. Thank you, Peter. Thank you, Grace. All right, let's go back. So what are basic terms in trading? The first one is currency pair. So in trading mostly, especially in Forex, we pair two currency, GBP and USD, Naira and dollar. So basically, you can't just trade Naira. You can, but it makes more sense to change your Naira to dollars and then change it back to Naira. So for instance now, if you knew about trading and you knew that dollar was going up, let's say 3 years ago when $1 was like around 300 Naira, and then you changed it and then you kept it somewhere this year, 2025, $1 is how much? 1.6. And let's say you change about 10. By now you have 16,000 naira. From that, you're just $3 or so. Do you understand? With trading, with currency pairs, basically you're trading two currency, either dollar and naira, GBP and USD, euro or USD. When you say GBP in trading, It's just the initials of the country name and then the currency. So for Naira, we usually use NGN, which means NG is for Nigeria, N is for Naira. For GBP, we have GB, Great Britain, and P for pounds. For USD, we have United States and D for dollars. So pairs are just the short form of the currency you're trading. As simple as that. Someone says they are trading GBP USD. Just know they are trading Great Britain pound and they're trading it with dollar. So what's PEEP in trading? It's just like PEEP is just like movement. It's step, and the word we use in trading is called PEEP. So instead of saying the market has moved one step, or you see the market has moved one PEEP in your favor. So for instance, now let's say euro was around, let's just say it was around $10 and then it moved to $15. So that's difference between 10 and 15. We can call it like 5 pip. So the market has moved 5 pip. So in trading, they are just dots, dot, 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 dot. So as not to confuse anybody, we tend to call it pip. That is movement. Simply price movement, steps the market has taken. So leverage basically allows you to control large capital in the market. So if you have 1:100 leverage, it means that your $100 can control $10,000 worth of trade. You are just timesing it by 100. So if you have 1:200, 1:200 leverage, that means your $100 can control $20,000. You just times how much you have times the leverage amount, if that makes sense. So basically, leverage is just what the broker gives you to be able to control large percentage of money in the market and take bigger risks. So on a normal day, somebody with $10 cannot make $1,000, right? Somebody with $10 cannot make $1,000 in the market, but the broker can give you a leverage of 1:100. When you times that 100 times the person $10, that's 1,000. So the person can take a trade with the potential of making $1,000, if that makes sense. So it's just your broker giving you more liberty to take more risks in the market. It has side effects and it has good effects. The side effect is that, of course, you can blow the account because you have unlimited leverage. You think that you have plenty money, and then you blow the account if it doesn't go in your favor. But the good side is that you can make a lot of money with just small capital with a very good leverage. So let's go to the most important thing of today, which is trading platforms and broker. So to trade Forex with your smartphone, you need broker and then you need MT5. Let me quickly share my screen to a document that explains broker briefly. So think of broker like a bank. Let me zoom this in. So think of broker like a bank that gives you access to the market. It's where you deposit your money and where you withdraw your money. So without a bank in Nigeria, you won't be able to send money to someone in, if you're in Lagos, you won't be able to send money to someone in Abuja without a bank, right? So without a broker, you won't be able to trade with people around the world. Just think of it like that. Because with a bank, you can deposit your money there, you can withdraw your money from there, you can make transfers from there. But if banks did not exist, you have to physically carry that cash to whoever you want to change the currency with or whoever you want to do business with. So a broker is basically like a bank where you can put your money, and when you make profits, you withdraw the money from there. So there are different types of brokers. Um, Two types of brokers actually, and then I added the third one because it's important. The first type of brokers is the a-book broker. They are the fair ones. They make money through commissions or spread. So maybe when you enter the market and you buy and sell, you make money. They collect their own commission. Spread is basically them just adding a little gap to where you entered so that they can make money from that. So they simply charge you fairly, as simple as that. Just like real estate agents, once they find a house for you, you pay them their commission. Then for B-book broker, those ones are the manipulative ones. They don't give you access to the market. They make you think you have access to the market, but in reality, you don't have access to the market. So what they do is they collect your money and then give you demo money, which is fake money, and believe that you're trading. But in reality, you're not trading the real market. It's funny, it's manipulative, and that's why you have to stay away from big book brokers. So they make you believe you are trading your money, like you deposited $100, you think you're trading the $100, but then they try to do all sort of manipulation. If the market is supposed to go up and you predicted it's supposed to go up, you're supposed to make money, right? But then they make the markets go down, and then your demo money is lost. You think you've lost your money, but in reality, they never deposited that money there. So those are what we call B book brokers. And then the final one is the C broker, which I invented, and then I call them crazy brokers. So they are the mix of A and B broker. Just think of it like a very cunning family member that invites you. Oh, come in, come in. There are lots of bonuses. I'm going to double your trading capital. I'm going to do a lot for you. Come in, come in. They give you very interesting bonuses. They double your capital, they give you lots of money, but at the end of the day, they take it all through manipulations. So that's why I strongly recommend people do their research, one, and go with a recommended broker from a recommended person. Because I've had experiences with these different types of brokers, the people broker, the crazy brokers. I've had experiences with them, and finding the right broker takes a lot. So the right broker I recommend that I found good, I tested in a couple of brokers. The one I find really good is XNext. So XNext basically how to access XNext. I'll be sharing this link, or you can just take a screenshot and then screenshot it. Let's see, or just I'll send it to the group. So if you click on it and open it on your Chrome browser, you'll be able to access it, and it's simply create an account with them so that you can have access to the market. And you don't need to fund yet unless you're ready to start live trading or you've had previous experiences trading. You can just create an account and then they give you demo money, which is just fake money that you use to practice, but you have access to the live market. Everything is real. They are very good and recommended. I don't know why my network is not working. But then they will give you access to the market and you'll be able to trade with them. Let me try another browser. And also follow along with the class because it's very important that you have a broker to be able to follow along with the class. Okay. Mhm. So I'm still trying to open it. So it takes you to Excel's homepage. You just basically have to sign up and it's taking me to my Excel app. So I just want to show you how it is and how easy it is to create an account with them. It's just the same way you create a bank account, but way easier. You sign up, do all the details, and then by the end of the day, you do your verification and you're able to start trading. But you can start trading without a verification though. You can start trading without a verification for the demo account. I don't know why it's not opening, but yeah, just try it out. And then if you have any question, I would answer your questions. So let me know if you have any question, guys, before we continue. I see Solomon raising his hand. Do you have any question? Wow, I just realized I've not been sharing my screen since. Interesting. I thought I was. So does anybody have any questions so far? We've covered quite a number of things for today. We've covered what is Forex. If I do you have any question?
Yeah, my question is I entered late, so I'm not following. I dropped a message. I just entered. I got entered. It have been on the road since. Trying to know more and more. I dropped a message to know if there's a way you can drop your contact for us, or we do WhatsApp and video call.
Okay.
I
Today is
just
the
sent
first day. No problem. Today is the first day, and then we've not done much. We've just basically done the introduction. I'll send the notes to the class, and I'll also send the link to create an account, which is the task for today. Do you
is
get?
it I want to ask a question. Are we the one that will be doing the trading on our own? You'll be teaching us how to go
Yes.
about. Because me,
Yes.
I'm a beginner, I've not done trading before, and a lot of people are saying that they were all liquidated. In fact, they went back to zero.
That's why we're holding this class to be able to right those wrongs, that the different corny activities that happen in the market, and we are teaching you what is right to be able to do it rightly. If you understand, we're not taking your money, we're not trading for you, you're trading yourself. We're just showing you the ropes on how to do it well. Do you understand?
Okay.
Yes.
Thanks.
Yeah, I'll share the notes and then just go through it. And the recording will also be made available good so that you can also go through that. Godwin, your hands are up. Do you have any question?
Hi, Vivian. Good evening. At the moment, I have been following through all that you've said. I'd like to appreciate you for teaching us as if we're babies. I think that's the best thing. It's very clear. There's no big grammar. Even if there is, you find a way to make it easy. And I want to appreciate you for that. Thank you. That's just it from me.
Wow, that's so sweet and kind of you. Thank you so much, Godwin. You have a nice voice, by the way. Thank you.
I'm an educator. I teach film and I know what it takes to be an instructor. You're very good. Well done. Your flowers are there. Take them. Samson, take your flowers too before you come and crucify me.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Who knows? Someday you'll be teaching Forex and film. Who knows?
I'm looking
Okay.
forward to it. I'm the baby
Uh,
girl. Hold my hands, please. Hold it.
Definitely. We'll write together. Briggs, you have a question. Please go ahead.
Okay, thank you. Good evening. Please, I would like to find out. My question is Xness an a broker, a book broker? Like considering that is the recommended broker for us, is it an e-book broker?
Yeah. Yes, that's a good question. Yes, like I said, I've had experience with the different types of broker, the A-book broker, the B-book broker, and the crazy brokers. So the one that has been the most honest so far has been XNet. And I'm going to send you the link. Make sure you use that link because you might go on and eventually land in somewhere else with another broker, or maybe make a mistake and another XNet. In trading, you just have to be very careful and follow what the instructor says so that you don't make any mistakes. In trading, any mistake you make is money. Do you understand? So make sure you use the link, and we can boldly recommend that. That's an able broker. It works. We've used it for a year, for months now, and they've been good.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Any other question? So, I wanted this class to be short and easy so that it's fun and learning is not difficult for anybody. So, we'll be sending the link to create your account and also the notes for today. And tomorrow, we'll learn how to use the trading platform, how to take your first demo trade, and the likes. So make sure you do the assignments today. Make sure you create an account. Make sure you link it to the desired broker, to your MT5. We'll share all the resources today. Make sure you do the assignment today. If you share Hey God. If you share a task, do it today, not tomorrow, not 1 hour later. Do it today so that we can answer all the questions pertaining to it. And tomorrow we can go to something new so you don't drag anybody. All right. I think that's all from me. Coach Samson, over to you.
Okay, thank you very, very much, Claire. I really appreciate. Like I said, if the person that taught me to this level is here, who am I to actually say something about beginners? When you talk about the foundation of Forex, uh, so, like she said, try as much as possible to follow through, and also to add to her voice, please and please don't send your money to anybody. Something did not say you should send me money, and neither the Clay said send her money. So, whatever thing you are doing, you do it yourself. You do it yourself. There is a lot of manipulation in the forex industry, a whole lot of manipulation. And if I want to make money from forex, being a manipulative person, there is 1 million ways to do it. When I mean 1 million ways, and I'll have so much money. But that is not what we want to do yet. That is not who we are. We just want to teach you how to trade, how to see this thing from your own perspective. Take the trade yourself, win the money yourself, be happy for yourself, be sad for yourself. Without something, without Clay, without anybody, you can look at the market and tell yourself this will buy and this will sell. So that is exactly why we are hosting this class. This class is not supposed to be free because people don't appreciate free things. But like we said, the idea is to help people. So even if it's one person that stick from the beginning to the end, we are cool with that one person. We will still deliver the exact what we want to deliver to everybody. And again, to end before we end this class, because we'll be ending the class very soon, don't miss tomorrow, because today tomorrow is the continuation of today. So any day you miss is like you already have, like, how would I put it, you already have like a whole lot that you need to cover up again. So you don't need to miss any day. Try as much as possible to join every day. Ask all your dying question. I keep saying that word, ask all your dying question, because we will be able to give answer to all of them. And take notes, take notes, take notes, take notes, because after the 5 days, we might not be able to give you all the 100% attention that we are giving to you now. But you can go back to your note and say, okay, something said this or Claire said this. We have really not dived into technical analysis now, into the technical parts, but from tomorrow you'll be feeling it and you'll be like, okay, yes, I can trade, I can trade, I can trade. But if you miss today, definitely you have issues with tomorrow. Or if you did not really understand today, or you did not do the assignment today, you have issues with tomorrow. And if you miss tomorrow, you have issues with the next day. So it's just like that, because Forex is everything is together, everything is connecting together, everything. If you take a look at what we have on our on the description, after we do first day, second day, third day, fourth day, on the fifth day I was not like sum everything up again, because that is to make you understand that from the day one to day four is just half part of everything, which we still need to put together again to make it one. So if you miss one day, you are already half of that day already. So like I said, there will be recordings, but when the recordings will be out, that I don't know. So you have to like take what you have to take now before the recordings will be out. And lastly, do all your assignments, a lot of assignments, and a lot of question and answer will be on the group chat. The group chat will be hot, and you have to be able to like try as much as possible to participate. Anything you miss in forex, you only learn in forex by paying money. You don't learn for free. And I mean, you don't learn for free. I'm not talking about the money you used to buy the course. I mean, when you enter the charts, any mistake you do is money. Nobody tells you sorry. So you don't have to be in a haste to trade. You need to take your time, follow us step by step as we do it. Follow us step by step as we do it, because if you do any mistake, anything you do in the financial market is minus the amount of dollar it is. If it goes in your favor, it's plus $1. If it goes against you, it's minus $1. So try as much as possible to follow through everything and do exactly according as we say. Because we are not here to manipulate you. We are only here to tell you what works and what did not work. That is the only thing we want to say here. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. If you have any question now that we're ending the class, you can drop it on the WhatsApp group. We will definitely respond to all your questions before the next class. See you guys. Bye bye.